best. I am going to say about my daily routine. Firstly, I get up 6 o'clock in the morning. I eat breakfast. After that, I do my homework. I wash and my I wash I wash hand and face. Again, I come to school. School starts 10 a.m. I end and in 4 p.m. I come back my home. I change my dress. I have snacks with play my friends. I do my homework. I help mom by cooking rice. We eat dinner. Finally, I sleep 8 p.m.